Kamiti ya Senate kutaka thirikari chamatora niyo Devolution Intergovernmental Committee ne chamandinti nani bamangabana baraba guita ugabone ndipo igirwa ria Senator Kathure Burongero kugita mogaruku yamwe gitene kiu ukomone ndi kurego tigira nini bane bukaugayirwa kigena kyabo bongwa Boniface Mongera na ututariri nkuruki
na bwani ni bamagavana 11 ibaikinyithire mbere ya kamiti wa mainya na wagirithio makaunti kenda kunenganira maoni jao igoro musondo jwa kwagirithia mobisi jwa nini bamagavana jureti Senator Contemero Bwana Kathure Muronge kwewa kwa budget kiro bisine chia no to mubethero bwishumire na winge araba mobetariria baugeti bethero bathine kito bobwega aro bisine chia kinyageni bakethero bakeja batona roje rwako bakundia
90% of our deputy governors do not have a designated budget. In 2013, there was Office of the Governor, designated budget for the governor, designated budget for the deputy governor. In 2017, that changed.
A governor cannot get 800 million, and a deputy governor only waits for a statement of encouragement that you can go ye and preach the good news of the office. County, Marsabit County. And the position of my deputy governor is keep quiet. Don't talk. Don't say anything.
Bakenderia ibashokire baithura kiri county chonde chentegro Kenya ikaunti ithano aiki harani ba magavana bakwethira bakerianwa na ndosi bao county Bungoma na county Taita Taveta chirio.
If you any DG is able to do that chemistry, humbleness, and do you think it can serve?
Yes, and
when you have given us some experience and what you have been able to do.
Yes.
So do you think it is necessary to have any proposals as in legislation?
It is very necessary, and that is why I started by saying it is not about who is working well and who is not working well. Yes. Because this is happening because I have a person who is different, who has a good heart. What will happen if another different governor comes in? Sure. Things will be different.
We in Machakos we are working well. Currently, governor is out of the country, and officially, I'm the one through our directives. Although it is constitutional, I am the one running the show for the next 2-3 weeks.
Mogo jongejo munaja musonajo Senator Kathure Muronge igotigira watho bokwethira bogekirwa bogotigira nibe magavana ibako nenkirwa ngoge harakira kema bamokwethira bakendekithiria bethira benenkirwa ngoje sisi na bange bakawe batera kwethira benenkirwa kamiti mwinene kire thirikari cia county ya kwangerekano disaster management
As office. Also there was the question on may appoint. In fact, Taita Taveta said very well, we do not want to use the term may. It is to be at the discretion of the governor to appoint or not appoint. But ideally, if you ask most of the deputy governors, they do not want to be appointed as a CEC because you are supposed to be at a higher level to supervise.
Ithanaku kinyethura endekithire magavana kwethira bakingwa gitene gukurukira njira impeachment ritinde ne musonajo Senator Kathure Muronge babo masenators bakonekana bakendekithiria kagitene kara gavana nubatire kwethira bakianania na munini oe mugaro naku hari nibo magavana barugendekithire riri ritikata kinyanini.
Whatever the governor bites, you should bite. If the governor works well, you work well together. If the governor exits, you exit together.
If the governor is being impeached for his own or her crime, why would the deputy governor come on board?
I think the problems you find in different counties, and even sometimes at the national level, is really a case of personalities. I don't know whether we can legislate about personalities.
Na kwena iriro bonene mono nande wathobo bukethira bwekuruka kaoma wathobo butumba kwethira bwekirwa kurigire mitugo ekirinde mithoku kira nande kirio na irobare babainge neto wathobo bukethira bwetuma agavana bakethira betonyera kumira gwetana mbere bethira betonye kiomurungu na bare kunyanyasa nini bao nke reporter Ndoshero TV kumajikaro ni bya bunge kingina ngine ne kine kipishoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.